Good morning, grade 9. This is your English teacher, Miss Maya, and today we are going to continue with Unit 11, Sports, Lesson 2, Violence in Sports. By the end of this lesson, you will compare between nowadays violent sports and the athletic games of the past. As you can see, we can, we shall, we will stop the violence. Before we start, consider the following lead-in questions. Name some types of violent sports. Remember that violence in sports takes place when there is contact. So boxing, hockey, ball games, and wrestling are a few examples. What are some types of peaceful or non-violent sports? Rafting, hiking, cycling, tennis, and ice skating are other examples. Now think about it. In what type of sports are you more interested? Are you interested in peaceful or in violent sports? First of all, what does violence in sports mean? According to the Canadian Centre for Ethics in Sport, it is a physical assault or physically harmful actions by a player that take place in a sports context and that are intended to cause physical pain or injury to another player or fan or coach or game official, where such harmful actions bear no direct relationship to the rules and associated competitive goals of the sport. Now kindly open your reading books, page 127, and read paragraphs 2 and 3 thoroughly. After you read both paragraphs, try to compare between nowadays violent sports and the athletic games of the past. According to paragraph 2, in ancient societies, games have always been rough. But aggression in the past was tempered by an insistence that playing hard or playing to win did not tolerate playing to cheat or to hurt. One of the very first nations that expressed athletic ideals was the Greeks. According to paragraph 3, in recent years, sports violence has become to be perceived as a social problem because these actions are mirroring the actions of our society and we live in a violent era. Having read the whole article, try to answer the following questions using your own words. According to the writer, when does violence in sports seem illegal and unethical? Number 2, in what sense were the ancient athletes partly noble while practicing violent sports? Number 3, what is the relationship between culture and violence in modern sports? And number 4, suggest a suitable title other than the one mentioned for the above text. Justify your choice. Please try to do numbers 1 to 7, pages 129 and 130. Submit your homework, and if you have any question, please try to contact me. Thank you all. I will get back to you for the answer key.